Yes, good evening. Welcome to Global Watch Media. You see me? This is the cooking edition. Yeah, with Chef Boy, Georgie, we in the kitchen. I don't know, this morning I go out on the pier. I couldn't get for showing you that this morning. No cap. You know what I say? Up on the pier this morning, and this is how I catch a few local sprat. You know? Couple bluefish, look like sprat. So here I go on. If you're a yard man or a yard woman, you don't know the thing going on. My brethren tell me say some of the video the thing and upload it. Because when I turn it the other way, it's hard for edit it. That way there so. Here I go on. See it there? Yeah man. If you're a yard man, island people don't know to the hour. Alright? Escovitch Friday. Fried dumpling. So my thing set already. I'm about to put in the dumpling them. You see it? Link on the back. God no. I'm not showing the shade, but definitely I don't know how the originator, but over else I have nothing for me. Look for my fried dumpling them. You see it? I'm mad sitting man. Mad sauce. You see it? Yeah man. Well basil down. Yeah man. Soon going to part of the fish. You see it? Piece by piece. Tune in man. I'm going to see the finishing touch. That is it. See it there? Second part. Like I say, if you know, you know. All of the Caribbean people them, and they don't know what time it is. You know. Escovitch, spratt, yeah man, and bluefish. Fried dumpling. Weekend seller. Boom 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 boom. Yes people. See it there? The escovitch fish that. You see it? Spratt that is. And bluefish. So please like, share, subscribe at Global Watch Media. Bless up. Oh no. You see it? That is the finishing result after escovitch spratt, fried dumpling. Yeah man, pepper down, well basil.